In this video, we are going to do some subtractions of 3-digit numbers with borrow. Here is the first example, 100 minus 2. First, we need to subtract the ones column. Here we can't subtract 2 from 0 because 2 is a larger number. We can't subtract a larger number from a smaller number. So we are borrowing 10. We are borrowing 1 from the tens place. Here 0 is in tens place, so we can't borrow 1 from the 0. Now we are moving to hundreds place for borrowing 1. When we borrow 1 from this 1 becomes 0 and this 0 becomes 10. In the second step, we are borrowing 1 from this 10. So this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Now we can perform the subtraction. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus, there is no digits here. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Here 98 is the answer of first example. Second example is 100 minus 27. We can't subtract 7 from 0. So we are borrowing 1 from the tens place. Here 0 is in tens place. So we are borrowing from hundreds place. When we borrow 1 from this 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 10. While borrowing 1 from this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. So 73 is the answer. In the last example, 900 minus 199. Just like the previous examples, while borrowing 1 from this 9 becomes 8, 0 becomes 10. Now while borrowing 1 from this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Now we can do the subtraction. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay. So 701 is the answer. Fourth example, 970 minus 819. We can't subtract 9 from 0. So we are borrowing from 1 from 7. 7 becomes 6 and this 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. I am repeating the procedure. We can't subtract 9 from the 0. So we are borrowing 1 from 7. While borrowing 1 from 7 becomes 6 and the 0 becomes 10. Okay. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. In the fifth example, 843 minus 39. We can't subtract 9 from 3, so we are borrowing 1 from this 4. 4 becomes 3 and 3 becomes 13. So now 13 minus 9, 13 minus 9 is 4, 3 minus 3 is 0, 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 not 4 is the final answer.